Hi, this is Zach Mead from Zach's Traders Cafe. We'll look at some single stocks on Tuesday, the 13th of September. Starting off with Ashtead Group, where despite the volatility of recent sessions, we're still above the 50-day moving average at £11.94. That's also the floor of a rising trend channel from April. The view at this stage is that while we hold above the 50-day line on an end-of-day close basis, we should see a target as high as 1400 over the next 4 to 6 weeks. If you're cautious on the stock, maybe wait for an end-of-day close above the 10-day average at 1262 before going along with that situation. Burberry's had a tough ride over the last few months, both on a fundamental and a technical basis, but it is encouraging that yesterday saw the shares bounce just above the 200-day moving average at 1224. That's effectively a continuation signal, and it could be enough to take the stock back up towards the top of this rising trend channel from May, hitting 1400 pence as soon as the end of next month. Buy trigger here would be an end of day close back above the 50-day moving average at 1297 for cautious traders. RAG topping the FTSE 100 rises today. Here we've got break above the 50-day moving average at the beginning of the month. That's at 399. And this is also shaped a reversal as well, which is looking rather encouraging. We could see on a break of the initial September resistance of 430, a target as high as 501 pence, which is currently the 200-day moving average. JD Sports bumper results reported today. I think they're up 73%. Gap through the 200-day moving average at the beginning of July, and another gap today, so really on fire as far as the technical picture is concerned here. Looking for a target towards the top of a rising trend channel that one can draw, hopefully, from the end of June. That would take the shares towards the 1500 pence area over the next 4 to 6 weeks. Any dips towards the 10-day average, currently it's 13.28, regarded as a buying opportunity, and only below 13, really questioning the breakout scenario. On to Marks and Spencer's, which is a bit sad today as far as the share price is concerned, broken back below the 50-day moving average at 332, and really while we're below that, there's a risk of a sub 300 pence target over the next month or so, even if the shares then manage to revive after that. Badly received update from Ocado today, shares down around 12%. We've got the 50-day moving average of £2.78, so that really needs to hold on this current dip, otherwise one would fear that the shares be heading back towards a target as low as £2.50, which is July-August support over the next few weeks. Finishing off with one of the biggest stocks on the FTSE, Royal Dutch Shell. Sideways action here, really below the 50-day moving average at 2023. Hopefully some support will come in just under £19. 1887 was the initial September support. While we're above that, then one would regard the 50-day line as being the upside, with a stop loss just below that 1887 level. That's it from me. More updates at the same time tomorrow.